How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your microphone in Escape the Backrooms. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that on the sound settings of your control panel, basically have selected the right microphone. So just scroll down, and in my case, I'm using the Razer Kraken condenser microphone. So you just want to make sure that you have set it as default, click apply, and then click OK. Now head over to Steam, click settings, and then you want to navigate through voice and just do the same thing where you select the Razer Kraken USB condenser microphone. And in here, you want to make sure that you have adjusted the volume gain, output gain, and in here, you want to click open microphone. Now, inside the game settings of your Escape the Backrooms, scroll down until you navigate through audio. And then you want to make sure for audio quality that you actually set it to high. Now on the microphone setting, you want to make sure that once again you have set the input gain, so in that way people will be able to hear you. And then you want to set your voice chat to always on, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.